We're going to do the parts of the books on. Here we go. Front cover, back cover, spine, and title. Front cover, back cover, spine, and title. Front cover, back cover, spine, and title. These are the parts of a book. All right. So, the book I have today is called Grumpy Monkey. Let's look at the front cover. What do we see on there? Looks like a monkey, and he's feeling maybe angry, grumpy, and the color behind him is red. Usually that means you're upset, you're angry. So, Grumpy Monkey is by Suzanne Lang and illustrated by Max Lang. And the illustrator is the person that draws the pictures. The author writes the words. And who remembers what this is called? The title page. One wonderful day, Chimpanzee woke up to discover that nothing was right. The sun was too bright, the sky was too blue, and the bananas were too sweet. How does he look? Yeah, he looks angry, grumpy. He woke up not happy. Did anything happen to him that made him sad or mad? Not yet. So he just woke up and was not feeling very happy. Jim was confused. What's going on? So here's Jim. What do we see over here? A gorilla. And he looks worried. He's worried about Jim. Maybe you're grumpy, suggested Norman from next door. I'm not grumpy, Jim insisted. So, here is Norman saying, well, maybe you're just a little grumpy today. How did that make Jim feel? It made him angry. He shouted. On his walk, he met Marabou. Jim's grumpy, Norman told Marabou. Why are you so grumpy, Jim? Asked Marabou. It's such a wonderful day. Grumpy? Me? I'm not grumpy, said Jim. How does he sound? Yeah, he sounds grumpy. I wonder what would make Jim feel better? What would make him happy? What do you think? But look at how you're standing, Marabou said. It's true, said Norman. You're all hunched. So if you look at him over here, he's standing like he is grumpy. Yeah. He's hunched over. He has his hands in a fist. So Jim loosened up a bit. So he loosened up. But look at his face. Does it look like he's happy? No, he still looks grumpy. Then he ran into Lumar. Jim's grumpy, Norman said to Lumar. Why are you so grumpy, Jim? Asked Lumar. It's such a wonderful day. Grumpy? Me? I'm not grumpy, said Jim. But look, he still looks grumpy. Your eyebrows look grumpy, said Lemur. It's true, said Norman. They're all bunched up. So let's look at his eyebrows. They're all bunched up. Can you make your eyebrows do that? All bunched up. It doesn't make you look so happy. It doesn't matter if you're smiling. It doesn't make you look very happy. So Jim raised his eyebrows. He raised them up. See if I can have you see it. There they are. Then he tripped over Snake. Oh no, said Norman. That's the last thing you need when you're feeling so grumpy. Grumpy? Me? I'm not grumpy, said Jim. But look at that face. He still kind of looks sad. He looks a little sad, but maybe he's still grumpy. Let's see. Then why that frown, said Snake. I think it's because he tripped over you, Norman whispered to the snake. So Jim put on a smile. So here's Jim. He's now smiling. So he's trying to look happy, but I still think he's feeling a little grumpy. Let's see if I was right. Finally, Jim looked happy, but he did not feel happy. So he looks happy, but he's not feeling very happy. Everyone wanted Jim to enjoy this wonderful day. You should sing with us, said the birds. Jim did not feel like singing. Let's look at Jim. Yep, still grumpy. You should swing with us, said the monkeys. Jim didn't feel like swinging. So there's Jim. He is not happy, and all his friends are trying to help him feel happy by giving him ideas of things they can do that might make him happy, like sing or swing, but it's still not working. I think he's just having a bad day. You should roll with us, said the zebras. Jim didn't feel like rolling. You should stroll with us, said the peacocks. Jim did not feel like strolling. So there he is. You should lie in the grass. You should stomp your feet. He doesn't look so excited about those things. You could take a bath and make a splash. You should hug someone. You should laugh. You should take a nap. So, those are some other suggestions that animals gave. Let's see over here. You should eat old meat or some honey. You should jump up and down. You should sit in the sun. You should dance. Do we think Grumpy Monkey wants to do those things? Jim, does he want to do those? Let's find out. But Jim didn't feel like doing any of that. Why are you grumpy, Jim? Asked the others. It's such a wonderful day. Oh, look at how grumpy he looks. I'm not grumpy. But he looks grumpy. That's what, and Jim started beating his chest. So, does he look happy? Does he look like he's not grumpy? He looks very grumpy. How can you tell? He's beating on his chest. He's yelling. Yeah. And he stormed off. So he left all the other animals. Oh, look, he's hunched over. His hands are in his fists. Jim felt sorry. A little sorry for shouting at everyone, but mostly sorry for himself. I guess I am grumpy, Jim sighed. And just as he started to feel really sad, see, now he's very sad. He came upon Norman. Norman was slumped. His eyebrows were bunched up, and he was frowning. "What's the matter? Are you grumpy?" asked Jim. "No, I danced with a porcupine," said Norman. "So, look here." "Jim, how does he feel? Does he feel grumpy right now?" He looks worried. He looks worried. And he was worried about Norman, because look, Norman looks grumpy. But he got hurt because he was dancing with a porcupine. "Are you okay?" asked Jim. "It hurts, but I'll probably feel better soon enough," said Norman. "Are you still grumpy?" "Yes," said Jim, "but I'll probably feel better soon too. For now, I need to be grumpy." "It's a wonderful day to be grumpy," said Norman. Jim agreed. So they're sitting here in the tree. So sometimes we feel grumpy, and you know what? That's okay to feel grumpy. But we also need to remember we cannot be grumpy for everyone else and make everybody else feel worried and sad. Sometimes we just need some space, right? That's what Norman needed. He just needed some space. That's why he left. He needed some space to calm down. Everybody was trying to make him happy and it just wasn't working. He just needed some space. And once he had some space and his friend came, and he already felt a little bit better. See, that made him happy. He had some space and then his friend came to check up on him. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this book, and I will be videoing you guys soon. Bye!